Wagwan dancehall gang, welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody dry. Just I go through a few updates within a quick and fast. Remember we did in Skilly Bang we do the performance of BET with Tyler and Footer Hype did rub him out and staying shaky. Well, Vibes Cartel get involved and he reposted a clip from this popular TikToker. Take a look.
Jamaicans, you know so we are one different type of crab in a barrel. We are not the regular type of crab in a barrel, you know. We is a different breed of crab in a barrel. Any of these countries in the world we have bad mind in them. Few bad mind within Jamaica is the worst. Skilly Bang. I see Skilly Bang BT performance. Skilly Bang, nothing wrong with your BT performance, brother.
Oh, your bad mind, so. Glasses, boy, oh, your bad mind, so.
Yeah, so basically Cartel defense Skelly. You see me? And he must say Footer Hype sound badmine. But anyway, you wanna tell me what you think in the comment section. The other day after the whole DJ Mac and Valiant run and Popcaan pull up drama, people did say Valiant a run. You know, so he went live to clear the air and he listened to this.
Yo, one night time I sit down on my yard dog. Remember some music more and doing, brother. Me there my yard dog and I wonder who am I really now do for really reach for a certain level, brother. I'm on the run man we can give strength, brother. And I be a drain of energy, brother. How wise my wise up? Wise my fucking wise up, brother.
This thing,
Wise my wise up on the music with me I do. Enough of them people that have no reason for hate, bro, God. I forward from the mud, brother. Master my craft. If you go back from way up on my page, brother, me I sing be a reggae. I try make it out tonight because I love reggae, you know, dog. But me I say bumbo clad. That nah, yo, people are like you're singing, you know. So me I say bumbo clad. What me can do for really, brother? Nobody know that if guide me. Me I feel guide my fucking self, brother. Me I feel guide my fucking self musically. Cause I remember, you know. Your parents don't want to hear say you want an artist, you know. So you're not going to really get that support, that support the way you want, you know, bad dog. Second, people in your community not going to support you fully. Them goodly laugh off of you. You try to build Lincoln Road and I be a go round. Be a go round. Bro, God, you see me? My sister in the energy. I don't know anybody forget your energy, brother. Them just want to use it for put, brother. Cloud chaser, brother. Yeah, brother. Yo, we do my music and reach for a certain level, that, brother. Me no want no man a bad mind, my brother. Cause first thing, me never get no help, brother. No help. And my team were there, so brother. You see a friend them from day one will help you. And all of them little things they will believe in you. Yeah, brother. And that me I show you, brother. So some pussy bad mind, I'll burn them. Cause you have enough little doubters that say, yo, they catch you at and you're going to feel right there, so, you know. But you continue to prove the fucking haters them wrong consistently, bro, God. You see me, I say? And sometimes, you know why I just come out and talk more while. My fans them in my DM and say, yo, we need to know what go on. There's nothing that go on, I just bad mind. And it's a part of the game. In anything what you do, I just bad mind. And I always stay consistent because I'm a bless you. So in time, whoever focus on me, try focus on your fucking self. You see me, I say? Because sometimes you focus on the next man so much, you just fall fucking off. You see me, I say? Yeah, bro, God, me not have no problem with unity and strength. Oh, God, when my boss, me I say unity and fucking strength. But when you get to understand the game, I know everybody rate you, charge it. I know everybody rate you, bad dog. I know everybody fucking rate you, bro, God. You have to know that. So you just hold yourself when you start hold yourself to yourself now, them I say you're pussy. Move to your too hype now. I'm not too hype, I learn. Each day when you go by, you learn who to get your fucking energy. You see me, I say? You see, me come out, come talk now. Yeah, chatting. And music, me I do. My fans, somehow know they on the live who text me in my DM. I only make me come out, come talk. Come on, I can't take you one bag of chattings. But anything what you do, and you reach successful, like some people just want to come draw and drain the energy, bro. Me no work, so bro, I work hard. I work very hard, bro, God. See, team at the right, so. And matter of fact, this is a different diplomat. Now, yes, man, that around me, for sure. I be a boss there around me. And all of my friends, them have things. And me and a pussy towards my friend them. You can see me in a blood clot Louis V and my friend them in some old clothes. Me and no pussy charging. My friend them a fear eat, brother. We might not eat every day, but we are trying to make it work. I want to tell you, brother, me make sure say anybody will come, me overthink you. Me there so and see one juice there right there so. And me I want to fall, me drink it. That reach me last night. Me I want to see me here. Yeah, say yo. Me.
So tell me one thing, people. When you think him run, I want to just think him there one place and him just ready, or I want big say come on and ready. Or you know, you just somewhere you got feeling just say, you know, say me I move, I'm ready. Yeah. One thing, just tell me if you think him run or him just go home off and own. The streets are same run, but me don't know, me never did that. Everybody's supposed to know say Shaniel Muir and her ex-fiancé I go back and forth about who thief money and who I tell lie. So the man went live and said Shaniel and no top girl and a bag of things. And listen to this.
Something that make no sense, and it don't make sense, you know, kill up on yourself over something. And what is to be, will be. You understand? I know when I'm myself, so I'm not corrupt. And in idea, I could have taken everything, like in a real life, I could have taken everything. Me could have take everything and feel good within myself. You understand? So me I feel say, yo, alright, take that and take that. You see it? So don't go and worry on yourself, man. Top girl and no top girl. Listen now. I say don't worry about bed and I sleep. I want to go sleep right now. Sleep, I want to go sleep right now. Who buy a shirt, yeah?
The live did a freeze up and thing, but he basically did a say Shaniel and no top girl and he couldn't take everything and everything not gonna make sense because there's certain things he cannot talk. So now Shaniel made a post on her Instagram after that saying that he's a liar. So let's take a look at this.
John.
My name is what you say?
Yeah, I say phone I reconnect and show me no hear say like hello or nothing. I say but you tell me here. I tell you say you know your place sound empty.
No, we can't hear that.
The place. Anyways, I just make you know say it really hard. Me and you don't know all of the things them what you do. But listen.
What you mean? Me, I don't know all of the things them want me do. What me do?
Meaning, me and you know all of the spin and all of the Shaniel.
No, but that's not
So
what you
me
tell
I show
everybody,
you, say.
Travis. You tell, I be a liar, you tell for me. That is not what you tell everybody. Even up to last night, they go say, oh, you give me money. You give me money, you know, for put, me use me card for buy the bed. And you know say that not true. I mean, I respect that, brother. You understand what me I say? You go tell, what make you tell such a lie like that, Travis? What make you keep on a tell lie, back a lie, if make me look bad? Yeah, me I hear.
I know you say everything on me, I do Shaniel, but listen up. Yeah, sure, I say it really hard. Alright, I just happy to see if I can't jump out. You understand? I just have to try to leave Jamaica. Because this, I just don't like how I feel. Whereas I say, oh, yeah, I can't take things on it some days, me.
So Travis, if you go the meds museum,
But
you
me
go
I say,
meds.
listen,
Listen, Travis.
You still go get the thing them come out.
Travis, what make you do me what you do me over this money business? If you so how you feel say me supposed to react to it? So me supposed to know say me not responsible for something zine and me take up my money same way. What?
Daniel, I have to say nothing about the ring.
What you mean me never have to say nothing about the ring, Travis? What you mean me never have to say nothing about the ring?
Come already. You just did feel like a lie. Me I tell about me.
Travis, you tell me how much lie. Me ask you, did I not?
But
When
I
we
did.
when me take out the
I did
passport,
bring
listen. When me take out the
Yeah.
passport, listen. When I took the passport out of the drawer the morning when we got to the airport, I'm looking there, I'm not see the ring. I'm say to you, say, Travis, where is the ring? What did you say to me? Tell me, you well I remember what you said. Tell me what you say.
Yeah, I remember when I said Shaniel.
So what make you call my father, Travis, and tell my father, say, me come over your yard, can take $1.1 million out of your drawer when nothing no go so. What make you do that?
Listen, me I tell him father. Say me I have a problem over money. And he might ask me, say, how much money you have to give me? And me I tell him, say, 1.1 mil.
How me forgive you $1.1 million, Travis?
Alright, Johnny, listen, me I say, no, see, before this money I even come into place, see, remember, you know, say, me not have no money. See,
Travis, but what?
You know? Yeah.
But I just can't understand how make you tell so much lie for me. I mean, you know me. If you claim to say you know me, Travis, you see what my mother do me already. You sit down side of me, you're there with me, and you see what my manager do me. You see what the manager do me, you see what people do me, you see what my mother do me. Travis, you come back and you pull this. After that, Shaniel also preview a new song on Instagram. So take a listen.
Bad girl love bad man. Make bad boy sit down and ball cause good pussy mad man. Right, sure.
If you like the song, tell me what you think down in the comment section. Now, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has declared the entire island as a disaster area for the next 7 days as Jamaica continues to brace for Hurricane Beryl. An island-wide curfew will be effective between 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. starting Wednesday. So stay safe. As the storm continues, there are some videos and clips on social media that are going viral. And it's nice to see that everybody's safe, but some people are outside and it make me wonder if we're not alright. Like when I do that door anyway, and take a look at these videos. We accept you already. It has a waiting.
Thomas, it appears power lines are touching each other, which are gashing. Terrible. This is not safe. This is not safe. That's it for now, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, and share. See you next time.